Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going out. Yeah, you see, I wish I could cancel out the noise in the streets, but I can't because I'm doing this outside. So yeah, and today I'm going out for a very long time. In case you don't know, I have been in school and things have been struggle, but all the same. Look at my face. Can you see my face? I know you can see my eyebrows because I've not been doing well.
Like, I've not been sleeping, there's a lot of things I've not been doing, so yeah, eyebrows, but it's cute.
Today I'm going out and I just thought that, why don't I just film a video? So let's start.
I've been wanting to do a review on Flawless Ivy. I got their primer too. I got their face palettes and their eyeshadow. Though I might be mixing the eyeshadow with other colors, obviously, because I can't depend on one. But then we'll see if the color has everything I need. I also got their foundation. So should I do a review on their foundation too? I think I should. But things that I don't like trying what I have not tried when I'm going out. It's better if I was staying at home and I was trying this. So maybe I should do a review on their foundation. Okay, so see, this is how it looks like.
Setting spray. As I told you, I'm filming outside. So any other person that is passing, I have to greet.
Okay, this base is making my face soft.
So I have ebony. I don't know how to put it that you guys will be able to see it. Okay, so apparently I think the stick has fallen inside and I don't have the strength to go through that stress. So I'm just going to be turning it on. Okay. So this is the way it looks like. But look, it's actually the color of my skin. So
I always had like such a bright space. Then why don't I usually film outside if it's the only option that the whole thing will be bright? The reason is because I usually care about whatever people think, but now I don't care. I like, you know, I think the song Ariana Grande sang is for me. Right now I'm in a state.
I wanna be like all the time. Yeah, ain't got no tears left to cry. So, you know the remaining verse. So, yeah. I have to try what is happening to me now. I don't have any tears left. I don't have any fucks left to give.
So I don't have any BS left to contain in my spirit. So I might as well just, So you guys, look at that base. Okay, so now I'm thinking, should I go on with my eyebrows or I should like set my whole face and then go on with my eyebrow? This LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fun. It's fun. That's why I'm using it, Do you understand my joke? You got me? I'm using it because I'm fun.
You know, it's always better to use like a setting spray when you're blending out with your beauty blender. But then I can't find.
Well, I'm actually loving this foundation. I think you guys don't usually hear me talk a lot, but yeah, now you can hear me. But then at the same time, I don't even think you can hear me because the background noise is so much for you to hear me. But yeah. You see, the kind of Nigeria where we did, it got to be here. It got to be here. But then at the same time, you can't keep quiet for long. So, but yeah. Because people just keep on honking their horns.
You cannot say anything about it, even if it's your house, even if it's your street, even if it's your estate. You know? You got me? You really can't say anything about it.
Okay. But it's not my fault, okay?
But then since my eyebrows are like already full, I'm not going to be drawing them so much, so I'll just be shaving it.
Oh yeah, if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, go and watch my yellow eyeshadow tutorial. In here I did a mini eyebrow tutorial and you love it. So I know I said that I'm not going to be making my eyebrows so defined, but I couldn't help it. So now I'm using this primer, this eyeshadow primer. I don't know the name, trust me. Eyeshadow primer, Kiss Beauty. I don't know if it's original or now. I'm going to be using the Ben 9 white, whatever. I'm just going to be mixing it a little bit with what I have on my hand. This is the liquid primer, this is my concealer, and that's the Ben 9. I'm just going to be mixing them together because I need not a white base but something enough. Look at that.
I don't really want a white base because when I see people with white base, it doesn't speak to me.
Love me now. So I'll first be going in with this one here, then going with this to darken it. So let's start. There's so many ways to love you. Simple, but the person inside of me doesn't want that, so I'm not going to smoke out the top part for it to be off properly. The beast inside me don't want the eyeshadow looking normal. Oh, sorry, I'm using this blue. This metal. So now I want to go in with a little bit of silver to the corner of my eye. I don't know how that will look. You never know until you try, boo. Now, because what I'm wearing, but contour, highlight, bronze, and we're out. Color. I'm going to be using this for my face and this for my nose. Highlights, just so you know, you can see it. I go.